Good morning students. Welcome back to Maths online class. How are you students? I hope you all are fine and safe in your home with God's grace. I am Jessie Darling. Today I am going to give basic concept of geometric sequence. In the previous class, what did you learn students? Yes, arithmetic series. What is arithmetic series? The sum of arithmetic progression is arithmetic series. Is it? Okay. Now we can recall arithmetic progression. Students, what is arithmetic sequence? What's the general form of the arithmetic sequence? General form of an arithmetic sequence. Arithmetic sequence, another name is arithmetic progression. General form of an AP is A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, etc. Is it? General form of an AP is A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, etc. What's the general term of an AP? General term of an AP is Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Is it? General term of an AP is Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Now, can you say one example for arithmetic progression? What is arithmetic progression example? 2, 4, 6, 8, etc. This is one of the arithmetic progression. Is it? Why it is arithmetic progression? First 2. Next 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Next 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. Next 6 plus 8 is equal to 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. Clear? So here everywhere 2 when we are adding, next term is getting. So it is a arithmetic progression. In the previous class you have learned briefly. Is it? Okay. Here what is first term? First term A is equal to 2. What is common difference? Common difference D is equal to 2. Okay. Now I am going to explain about geometric sequence or geometric progression. Geometric progression or geometric sequence. We can say it is geometric progression, short form GP. Okay. Another name geometric sequence. Geometric sequence, geometric progression, both also same only. What definition? First we can learn the definition of geometric progression. A geometric progression is a sequence. It is a sequence. Already you have learned about sequence, is it? This is also a sequence in which each term is obtained by multiplying a fixed non-zero number. What is each term is obtained by multiplying a fixed non-zero number to the preceding term. Preceding term means before term. Is it? Each term is obtained by multiplying a fixed non-zero number to the preceding term except the first term. Except the first term. The fixed term is called a common ratio. The fixed term is called a common ratio. The common ratio is usually denoted by R. What is common ratio is usually denoted by R. Clear? Okay students. Now I am going to give 2 examples for geometric progression. Students, please don't collapse with arithmetic progression and geometric progression. Arithmetic progression, when we are adding a which one? Fixed term with the preceding term, we will be get a arithmetic progression. Here, when we are multiplying a fixed non-zero number to the preceding term, we will be get a geometric progression. Okay, clear students? Okay, first example. 2, 4, 8, 16, etc. Next one more example. 1 minus 4, 16 minus 64. This also a geometric progression. First example. How it is a geometric progression? I am explaining that. First one. 2. Listen students. Next, 2 into 2 is equal to 4. Clear? 2 into 2 is equal to 4. Next, 4 into 2 is equal to 8. Next, 8 into 2 is equal to 16. Okay, here one fixed non-zero number when we are multiplying every term. Is it? Except the first term. First term we are not multiplying anything. Next term 2 into first term into 2 is equal to 4. Next, this 4 into 2 is equal to 8. Next, 8 into 2 is equal to 16. Okay, clear students? So it is a geometric progression. Here, fixed non-zero value. This is a fixed non-zero value. Okay, this is equal to, therefore R is equal to fixed non-zero value. We can say common ratio. The common ratio is usually denoted by R. Okay, the fixed non-zero term is common ratio. This is 2 is the fixed non-zero value. Therefore, R is equal to 2. Why we can say it is a fixed non-zero value? Every term we are multiplying by 2. So, R is equal to 2. Clear students? Okay. Now, I am going to explain general form of a GP. Already you have learned general form of an AP. Is it? What is general form of an AP? A plus D, A plus 2D, etc. Now I am going to explain the general form of a GP. What's the general form of a GP? General form of a GP is AR. I told we want to multiply the fixed non-zero value. AR, next AR square, etc. AR cube, etc. AR square, AR cube, etc. is a general form of a GP. Okay, general form of a GP. Clear? What's the general form of a GP? AR square, etc. is a general form of a GP. Next, general term of a GP. General term, okay, general term of a GP is Tn is equal to AR power n minus 1. AR power n minus 1. What is the general form of a GP? AR power n minus 1. Already you have learned that general term of an AP. What is the general term of an AP? A plus n minus 1 into D. But here general term of a GP is AR power n minus 1. Have you understand students? What is general form of a GP? General term form of a GP is AR square, AR cube, etc. General term of a GP is Tn is equal to AR power n minus 1. Next, here R is equal to common ratio. Common ratio what? R. Common ratio R is equal to formula T2 by T1 is equal to T3 by T2 is equal to T4 by T3. Common ratio. In arithmetic progression you have learned common difference, isn't it? Common difference D is equal to T2 minus T1. Here common ratio, okay, don't forget that common ratio R is equal to T2 by T1 is equal to T3 by T2 is equal to T4 by T3. Have you understand, students? Okay. Now we can go learn some basic problem based on this geometric sequence. Clear? Now we can learn some basic problems based on geometric sequence. First problem, which of the following sequences form a geometric progression? Which of the following sequence form a geometric progression? First question, 7, 14, 21, 28, etc. First we can see that T2 by T1. If the common ratio is equal, we can say that is a geometric progression. It is the first term T1. It is second term T2. It is the third term T3. It is T4. First we can say T2 by T1 is equal to what? 14 by 7 is equal to 2. Okay. Next, T3 by T2 is equal to 21 by T3, T2. 40 is equal to 7 table. We can cancel 2 7s are 14, 3. 3 by 2. Next, T4 by T3 is equal to 28 by 21 is equal to 7 table. You can cancel 7 3s are 21. Next 4 times 28, 4 by 3. Is it equal? No, it is not equal. Here T2 by T1 not equal to T3 by T2 not equal to T4 by T3. Therefore, the given sequence is not a GP. Therefore, the given sequence is not a GP. Clear, students? Any doubt? Okay, first T2 by T1 we have to check. That is equal to 2. Next T3 by T2. That is 3 by 2. Next T4 by T3. It is equal to 4 by 3. It is not equal. Therefore, the given sequence is not a GP. Next problem. 1 by 2, 1, 2, 4, etc. We have to check it is a GP or not. First we can check. Listen. T2 by T1 is equal to T2 means 1. 1 by 2. 1 by 1 by 2. How we can divide then? We have to take the reciprocal of 1 by 2 and multiplies it. So 1 into 2 by 1 is equal to 2. Next, T3 by T2. T3, what is T3? 2. 2 by 1 is equal to 2. Next, T4 by T3. T4, 4. Next, T3, 2 is equal to 4 by 2. 2. It is equal. Is it? T1 by T2 by T1 is equal to T3 by T2 is equal to T4 by T3. Therefore, it is a GP. The given sequence is its sequence form a GP. What is the common ratio? 2. 2 is the common ratio. Form a GP. Okay. Then we can go for the third problem. Next 5, 25, 50, 75, etc. Here also we can check T2 by T1 is equal to 25 by 5. 25 by 5 is equal to 5. Next T3 by T2 is equal to 50 by 25. So 5 table we can cancel 5 5 is 25, 1 0. Next 1 5 is 5, 2 is equal to 2. Next T3 by T4 by T3 is equal to T4 by T3 is equal to 75 by 50. We can cancel by 5 table. 1 5 is 5 0. Here also 1 5 is 5. Next 2 balance 25 5 5 are 25. Again we can cancel by 5 table. So 2 5s are 10. 3 5s are 15. Is equal to 3 by 2. Here whether it is equal? Not equal. T2 by T1 not equal to T3 by T2 not equal to T4 by T3. Therefore the given sequence is not a GP. Therefore the given sequence is not a GP. Then the fourth problem. Here T1, T2, T3. So we can check T2 by T1 is equal to 0.05 by 0.5. Okay. Here after the decimal point 2 digit is there. Here after the decimal point 1 digit is there. So shall we multiply by 100? 100 with multiplying time what will we get? Here when we are multiplying with 100, 2 digit, the decimal point will be moved 2 digit, which side? Right side. So 5 will be get. Here only 1 digit only is there. So 1 digit 5, 1 0 we have to put. So 1 5 is 5. Next here also 1 5 is 5, 0. So 1 by 10. Next T3 by T2 is equal to 0.005 by 0.05. Here after the decimal point 3 digit is there. Here after the decimal point 2 digit is there. After the decimal point 3 digit is there. No. So we can multiply by 1000. Same number we have to multiply denominator also. So 1000 with multiplying time, the decimal point will be moved 3 digits right. So we will be get 5. Here only 2 digit is there. So we have to put 5 and 0. 1 5 is 5. Next 1 5 is 5. 0. 1 by 10. Here T2 by T1 is equal to T3 by T2. Therefore the given sequence form a GP. Have you understand? Therefore the given sequence form a GP. Okay, have you understand that how we can find out the given sequence is GP or not? Okay, now we can go the next problem. Next question. Fill in the blanks if the following are in GP. Fill in the blanks if the following are in GP. It is GP like that given, is it? So we have to find out the fourth term. First term given, second term given, third term given. We have to find out the fourth term. If we want to find out the fourth term, we have to find out the common ratio. First, what is the common ratio? First, T1 is equal to 1 by 8. T2 is equal to 3 by 4. Is it? Here common ratio R is equal to T2 by T1. T2 by T1 or T3 by T2 we can write it. T2 by T1 means 3 by 4 divided by 1 by 8. 3 by 4 divided by 1 by 8. How can we divide this? Yes. 3 by 4 into next 8 by 1. Is it correct? This one reciprocal of 1 by 8 is 8 by 1. So we can write 3 by 4 into 8 by 1. 1 4 is 4, 2 4s are 8. 3 2s are 6. What's the common ratio? 6. So what is the next term? How can we find out the next term? We have to multiply 6 in here. Okay. So 1 by 8 comma 3 by 4 comma 9 by 2 comma next term is 9 by 2. Third term into 6. Third term into 6. So 1 2 is 2. 3 next 3 2s are 6. It's equal to 9 3s are 27. What's the next term? 27. Therefore 1 by 8 comma 3 by 4 comma 9 by 2 comma 27. Clear, students? Any doubt in here? Okay. Next, fill in the blanks. 7 comma 7 by 2 comma dash. Here also it is a GP like that given. Okay. So no need to check it is GP or not. First we have to find out the common ratio. Clear? So here T1 is equal to 7. T2 is equal to 7 by 2. T3 is equal to, T3 we have to find out. Is it T3? If you want to find out, what we have to find out first? R. R is equal to T2 by T1 is equal to 7 by 2 divided by 7. Is it correct? So how can we find out? Here what is the reciprocal of 7? 1 by 7. Is it? So 7 by 2 into 1 by 7. We can cancel 7 7 1 by 2. Therefore the next term T3 is equal to 7 comma 7 by 2 comma next term we have to find out. So we have to multiply this 1 by 2 in the second term. So 7 by 2 into 1 by 2 is equal to 1 7 is 7, 2 2 is 4. Therefore 7 comma 7 by 2 comma next term is 7 by 4. Have you understand this? Have you understand how to find out the next term? Clear, students? Okay. Now we can go for the next problem. Then the third question. Find the geometric progression whose first term and common ratios are given by A is equal to minus 7, R is equal to 6. What's the general form of a GP? General form of a GP is A, AR square, etc. The general form of a GP is AR square, etc. Is it correct? Okay. First we have to find out A. What is A? A is equal to minus 7. Next AR means minus 7 into R is equal to 6. So minus 7 6 are 42. 7 6 are 42. Next we have to find out AR square is equal to A. What is A? Minus 7. What is A? Minus 7 into R square, 6 square. So it is equal to minus 7 into 6 6 are 36. 6 6 are 36. When we are multiplying, what will be get? 36 into 7, 252 is equal to minus 252. Okay. Clear, students? Therefore, the record GP is A. First what one write? A. A is equal to minus 7. Next AR. AR is minus 42. Next AR square. What is AR square? Minus 252, etc. Clear, students? Any doubt? Okay. Then we can go for the second problem. Next question. A is equal to 256, R is equal to 0.5. What's the general form of a GP? A, AR square, etc. A, AR square, etc. A is equal to 256. Then AR is equal to 256 into 0.5. How we can multiply? 256 into 5. When we are multiplying, what will we get? 5 6 are 30. 3 balance. 5 5 are 25, 28. 2 balance. 5 2s are 10, 12. 1 digit before 0.5, no? 1 digit before point. 128. Then we want to find out AR square. So what is A? 256 into 0.5 the whole square. What is 0.5 the whole square? 256 into 5 5s are 25. That is 0.5 into 0.5. Is equal to 256 into 0.25. 5 5s are 25. After the decimal point, here 1 digit, 2 digit is there. So 2 digit before want to put the decimal point. So it is equal to 256 into 0.25. 256 into 25 means what will be get? 6 5s are 30. 3 balance. 5 5s are 25, 28. 2 balance. Next 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 2. Next 6 2s are 12. 1 balance. Next 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 1, 11. 1 balance. 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1, 5. Adding times 0. Next 10. Then 1 balance. 2 plus 1, 3. 4, 6. How many digits before want to put the decimal point? 2 digits. 64. Therefore, the required GP is A 256. AR 128. AR square 64. Therefore, the required GP is 256, 128, 64, etc. Have you understand how to find out the general form of a GP? Okay. Now, I am going to explain one more problem. Okay. Okay, find the eighth term of a GP. What's the given GP? 9, 3, 1, etc. Here what is A? A is equal to 9. Then next R, how can we find out R? T2 by T1 is equal to 3 by 9. 1 3 is 3. 3 3s are 9 is equal to 1 by 3. Common ratio R is equal to 1 by 3. What's the nth term of a GP? Then Tn is equal to formula. Yeah, already I have explained, no? AR power n minus 1. Tn is equal to, in the AP, another formula. GP AR power n minus 1. So here, which term we want to find out? Eighth term. So we have to find out T8. T8 is equal to 9 into 1 by 3 the whole power n minus 1. So 8 minus 1 is equal to 9 into 1 by 3 the whole power 7. 7 means is equal to 9 into 1 by 3 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 into 1 by 3. 7 times we have to write to 1 by 3. 1 3 is 3, 3 3s are 9. 1 3 is 3, 1 3 is 3. Next, we have to multiply 1 by 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27. 27 into 3, 81. 81 into 3, 243. This is the 8th term of a GP. Clear, students? 8th term of a GP we have to find out. What's the formula? Tn is equal to general term. Before problem we have used general form. Here general term. Tn is equal to AR power n minus 1. T8 we want to find out. A is equal to 9. R is equal to T2 by T1. 1 by 3. So T8 is equal to 9 into 1 by 3 the whole power 8 minus 1. 8 minus 1 7. So is equal to, we are getting the answer 1 by 243. Any doubt? Okay. Have you understand, students? What's the general form of a GP? A, AR, AR square, etc. What's the general term of a GP? Tn is equal to AR power n minus 1. Any doubt in these problems? Any doubt? No? Okay. Now I am going to give some homework problem. Only 3 homework problem. You have to do that 3 homework problem. First one, which of the following sequence are in GP? 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 2 by 9, 4 by 27. Second question, 12, 1, 1 by 12, etc. Next, fill in the blanks if the following are in GP. 3, 9, 27, 81. 4 terms we have given. 5th term you want to find out. Next question, 5, 25, 125, etc. Third question, in a GP, 729, 243, 81, etc. Find T7. You have to find out which term? 7th term. Can you do? Okay. Thank you, students.